In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your OneDrive folder name. Let's start by visiting the Microsoft official website. This is where we'll begin the process. It's essential that you're signed into your Microsoft account since you'll need access to OneDrive to make any changes. On the Microsoft homepage, you'll find a Sign In button, typically located at the top right corner. Click here, and you'll be taken to a login page where you'll need to enter your email address that is associated with your Microsoft account. It's important to make sure you're using the email linked to the OneDrive account you want to rename, to avoid any confusion. After typing in your email, click Next. Now, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Be careful here, as passwords are case-sensitive and must be entered accurately. Once you've inputted your password, click Next again. If all went smoothly, you might see a prompt asking if you'd like to stay signed in. If you're on a personal device, opting to stay logged in can save you some time in the future. However, if you're using a public or shared device, it's safer to skip this step to protect your account. Now, let's navigate to OneDrive. Look for an option labeled All Microsoft at the top of the page. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu or open a new page, where you'll find OneDrive listed alongside other Microsoft services. Select OneDrive to proceed. Upon choosing OneDrive, you'll typically arrive at its welcome page. Here, you may need to sign in again to ensure secure access to your files. Click Sign In and follow the login process using the same Microsoft account details. Once you've completed the login, you'll find yourself on the OneDrive homepage. Think of this as your digital filing cabinet, housing all your stored documents and files. To commence the renaming process, head over to My Files in OneDrive. This will display your folders and files in detail. Browse through your OneDrive collection and select the folder you wish to rename. Next to this folder, you'll observe a three-dot icon, also known as a context menu icon. Clicking on this icon reveals a list of options. Here, look for Rename. Clicking on Rename enables you to edit the current name of the folder. Now, you have the opportunity to be creative or organized, depending on your preference. Enter the new name for your folder. This new label could be anything that improves your file organization or simply makes sense to you. After typing in the new name, confirm the change. You'll notice that your folder now reflects its updated name across all devices synced with your OneDrive account. And there you have it. You've successfully renamed a OneDrive folder, making it easier to keep your digital space organized. Remember, maintaining an organized digital area can dramatically improve your workflow and efficiency. Experiment with naming conventions that boost your productivity or simply amuse you each time you access your files.